Hello, viewers. In this video, I'll walk you through how to migrate Gmail data to a Google Workspace account manually. Many individuals and organizations want to move their personal or business Gmail accounts to Google Workspace. But before we start the migration, we must prepare the Gmail account. For that, log in to your Gmail account. Go to Settings, see All Settings, Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Make sure that IMAP is enabled, then hit Save. Now open a new tab or window and log in to your Google Workspace Super Admin account. On the home page, click the Data tab, then go to Data Import and Export and select Data Migration. You'll now see the new interface for Google Workspace migration. There are multiple migration options like Workspace, Gmail, IMAP, OneDrive, Teams, Online, and Exchange. We're migrating from Gmail. Click on Gmail. Step 1. Enter the source Gmail email address and click on Request Authorization. Now go back to your Gmail inbox and wait for the authorization message. Click on it and follow the steps to authorize the migration. Click on the Authorize button. Choose your Gmail account. Click on Continue to confirm. Once done, return to Google Workspace and click on Verify. Step 2. Select the target Workspace account. Type the user's email address where Gmail data will be imported, then click Save. Step 3. Configure migration setting. Set your email start date. I would prefer to migrate from 1st January. You can also apply filters. Migrate deleted emails, migrate spam, exclude specific folders, choose based on your preference and click Save. Step 4. Migration, click on Start Migration. Now you can see progress updates automatically every 10 seconds. You can also stop the migration anytime or export migration report. Once completed, you'll see two options. Run Delta Migration, Exit Migration. Delta Migration helps retry failed or newly arrived messages. As you can see, I have no failed messages. I'll click Exit Migration. In the confirmation window, it is mentioned that you cannot view reports and migration data after exiting. Click the Exit and Delete Migration button. Now let's check the target Google Workspace mailbox. The first email is the authorization confirmation, which proves the migration was successful. If you need technical assistance or support, please contact MailsDaddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip.